this is the combine harvester. Just my brother harvested the paddy. Actually, these machines, the combine harvester, tractor, and other machines are the invention of the Green Revolution, which started in 1960s. And this is a machine which can harvest the whole field, like 1 acre in 1 hour. 1 acre in 1 hour it can harvest, and it can do all the job together, like harvesting, separating hay from the paddy, and also winnowing, and only grain is left in the machine. So all the three works combined together. That is the reason why this machine is called combine harvester. So this machine is very powerful, and people, those who drive it, are very, very professionals. And today morning, I think this man has been driving for the past 5 hours. That means 5 to 6 acres of paddy he has harvested. So very good, very efficient, and human mind is so smart. And but this field is very small. In order to use these machines, we need to have large amount of hectares of land. But here in our village, only few hectares, and the work is over. But anyway, there is a joy around this place, and everybody is in the celebration mood. My brother and his family is going to celebrate tonight, and all the neighbors are going to sing and dance. And tomorrow they're going to sell all the grain. The grain is behind the machine, and I think this is the owner of the machine, and he is the driver. And I just came in and just wanted to make a YouTube. I hope you have seen the combine harvester at work, and also I made another 3 or 4 YouTubes on my own, and you can check it out on YouTube. And I enjoyed seeing it. First time I am watching combine harvester doing a job in an agricultural field. Again, I am in Kattupadi, Vellore, India, and thank you, and God bless.